How to fix gray hotspot on iPhone iOS 18. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the cellular option and make sure the cellular data is enabled on your device, and if not, then go ahead and enable cellular data on your device. Now, tap on the personal hotspot option and see if the hotspot is available or not. If not, in settings again tap on general and then on software update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version for the optimal performance of your iPhone. Next, in general again scroll down to the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option, then on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor software bugs. So this is how you can fix gray hotspot on iPhone iOS 18. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.